Insane speed, brutal strength, and zero fear. From jaw-dropping log splitters to massive saws carving wood like butter. This is the ultimate showdown of man versus machine. Brace yourself. It's about to get crazy. Wow, let's talk about true efficiency and precision in firewood processing. The Pezzoletto Professional 2.0, a masterpiece of Italian engineering, brings it all to the table. With cutting lengths adjustable from 9 to 28 inches and a massive 43-inch cutting disc, this machine is built for performance. Powered by a 50-horsepower electric motor and packing 35 tons of splitting force, it runs smooth and steady every time. Safety is front and center, making it the smart choice for any serious firewood producer who demands both power and reliability. Wow, land clearing can be messy, expensive, and rough on the environment. But the VM60SR changes the game. Instead of burning or hauling debris, it grinds everything into usable mulch right on site. That means lower costs, less waste, and healthier soil, ready for new growth. Whoa, the DipperFox SC850 Pro is more than just a stump grinder, it is a revolution. Built for heavy-duty excavators, it takes down the toughest stumps with ease. It feels like combining the raw strength of a demolition crew with the precision of a surgeon. On top of that, it is eco-friendly, leaving minimal ground disturbance and a clean layer of mulch behind. Awesome. The Massey Ferguson 135 paired with the Dalen 1254B is a firewood duo worth talking about. The 135 provides legendary durability, while the 1254B streamlines splitting. Together they create a smooth and highly productive setup that any serious firewood operator would appreciate. Incredible. Stumps that look impossible do not stand a chance against the RT400 drum attachment. This machine grinds acres of stumps with steady precision. At nearly 30,000 pounds and stretching 22 feet, it moves at about 4 miles per hour, making relentless progress on any terrain. Oh man, sometimes you see a perfect example of what not to do, and this unsafe tree cutting attempt is one of them. No helmet, no eye protection, no escape plan. One wrong move could have been a disaster. It is a reminder that safety gear and proper planning are non-negotiable when working with trees. Whoa, unbelievable power and efficiency. The Gens HEM 593R chipper truck is a wood-eating monster. Its 500 horsepower engine muscles through logs up to 22 inches thick. With a huge 55-inch infeed and a massive rotor, it cranks out serious volume. Easy Green Tech fine-tunes the feeding system for max performance and fuel savings. At over 25 tons and hitting 50 miles per hour on the road, this beast gets the job done wherever you need it.
Починаємо з маленького коліна.
Wow, clever engineering at work. This modified wood splitter uses a frequency converter to adjust speed and power. Even beginners can run it with ease. Sharp spring steel blades, a 2-horsepower motor, and smart safety covers make it reliable. It handles knotty logs, saves about 30% on power, and even folds up for easy storage.
Так, це правильно. Ну це маленьке, то добре. То воно було отако, дуже гарно.
Oh man, picture this. A snowy landscape, heavy flakes falling, and the Sennebogen 870M tearing through timber like it's nothing. This beast makes old truck cranes look like toys. At around $81,000, it's pricey, but imagine the jobs you could crush with that kind of power. Sitting in that cab must feel like holding the forest in your hands. Awesome convenience and power. Meet the Lillehammer stump grinder. This is no old school axe. A 13.5 horsepower Briggs & Stratton engine, 12 carbide teeth, and a portable design make it both tough and easy to move. It chews through stumps fast, making removal simple for anyone. Wow, firewood splitting made easy. The Dallin 2054 takes the pain out of chopping wood. This machine does the heavy lifting so you can enjoy cozy winter nights by the fire. At about $5,500, it's peace of mind at a fair price. Incredible. Talk about power and efficiency. The Comptech Chippo 8010C is a true game changer. With an output of over 3,000 cubic yards per hour driven by a 780 horsepower Cat engine, it's a beast. Integrated with a man truck and an Epsilon crane, it handles any job with versatility. This is smart engineering taking wood processing to the next level. Oh man, this is risky business. These guys are cutting down a tree, practically hugging their house. Will it fall perfectly, or are we about to see some unexpected home renovation? Grab your popcorn because this could get wild. Wow, talk about tough terrain. In Belgium's forests, the HSM 208 tractor is built to dominate. Its heavy chassis and oversized wheels conquer steep slopes and uneven ground, hauling giant logs like twigs. This is forestry tech at its finest. Awesome engineering concept. This modified wood splitter runs on gas power, hooks to a walk-behind tractor, and comes with a hydraulic lift and transport cart. The big question, can it handle knotty, twisted birch? That's the real test of its splitting force. Whoa, check this out. The DFR 4550ZS is like a giant wood muncher. From scraps to full logs, it chews everything into perfect chips. Watching it work makes you realize how wood transforms from forest to mill to recycling. Oh wow, I can't stop watching. That jump cut in the video was insane. I've replayed it at least 10 times and it still blows my mind every single time. Whoa, here comes serious grinding power. The Moorbark Model 40 debris shear lineup delivers some of the most complete tub grinders on the market. Diesel or electric, tracks or tires, with or without cabs, you name it, they've got it. Built for any job, anywhere. Dude, check this out. A steel MS-881 going head-to-head with a log the size of a car. With 8.7 horsepower and a 66-inch bar, this beast rips through wood like it's nothing. It's loud, it's fast, and it's pure adrenaline. Oh my gosh, unbelievable innovation. The Hitachi Zaxxas 200 with a ripper tooth changes the game. It does more work with less fuel, basically turning into a super-powered excavator. This is the kind of forestry tech that gets me excited about the future. Wow, this is pure logistics magic. At Columbia Vista Log Yard, massive trucks roll in loaded with timber. Every log is measured, sorted, and stacked with precision. It's a symphony of power and engineering, turning raw forest into valuable resources. Wow, let's break this one down. This Firewood processor looks solid and reliable, built to last. Awesome, the productivity is massive, especially if you are working solo. It just keeps the firewood flowing. But whoa, safety matters big time. Those pinch points are no joke, and constant attention is a must. Clear communication and focus are the keys to running it right. In short, it's a powerful machine, but always respect what it can do. That's it for today's adrenaline rush. Which machine blew your mind? Tell us in the comments. We're always listening. If you had fun, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and stay tuned, because the next ride will be even crazier. See you soon.